Hi, it's me, Caribbean Andy. Today we're going to make another Negroni riff. Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, so this cocktail recipe is from 2012. It's by Jim Meehan of PDT, wrote the Bartender's Manual. I believe the recipe is in the PDT cocktail book. This specific recipe that we're going to use I got from Difford's Guide, which is a great online resource for cocktail recipes, and this actually plays with the specs just a little bit. But like I said, it's a Negroni riff. We've got gin, we've got Campari. We're going to be introducing freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, as well as elderflower liqueur. I'm using St. Elder. I just happen to have this. Saint Germain is obviously the Coca-Cola of elderflower liqueurs. Typically, I hate this stuff. I think it's sweet, it's syrupy, and it was really very trendy. Actually, 2012 sounds a little bit late, but around like 2009, 2010, you can Google it and figure it out. This stuff definitely was very popular, called Bartender's Ketchup for a lot of reasons. Sort of the sriracha of the beverage world. But I've never tried this cocktail either, by the way. I'm going to be tasting it right along with all of you. So if you want to make it, that's all you need. We're using beefeater for our gin, Campari, any Italian red bitter will do, pink grapefruit juice, and I don't know, some ice in a glass. So we're going to serve it up. So I have my Nick and Nora glass right here, and we can put some ice in there to chill it. My ice is stuck to my scoop. Oh boy. Let's put like 1, 2 cubes. Great. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of gin. Three-quarters of an ounce of grapefruit juice. Half of an ounce of Campari. Half an ounce of our elderflower liqueur. And that's where this differs. The Difford's Guide differs in that it increases the St. Elder from 1/4 ounce to 1/2. Pack our tin with ice. And shake it. Discard this. And we'll double strain. Oh, it's very pink. I'm kind of surprised by that. It's like cranberry juice Cosmo levels of pinkness. We'll do a grapefruit peel. I only had the 1 grapefruit, so this is also the one that I juiced. My neighbor's taking his dog out. Sorry if you can hear that. He's very friendly. The dog. Not the neighbor. Trimming up my grapefruit peel. Just gonna make like a little bit of a design. I worked at a place once where the only rule was we just had to make it look like we put some effort into our garnish. Doesn't matter exactly how much. But hey, look! We made a cocktail. A pink one. This is an old friend. It smells very grapefruity. My hands are very grapefruity. Oh, this is really nice. It's stronger than I expected. spirit forward. The elderflower isn't crazy overwhelming. Grapefruit and Campari make so much sense together. I mean, you really, to me, like, grapefruit is the most predominant flavor of Campari, so why not throw some grapefruit juice in there? And I don't know, the gin is floral, the elderflower is floral. This is a good cocktail. Tart. Well, thanks for watching. Try this recipe. It's good. You might have all these things at home. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this. Leave a comment down below if you like grapefruit. And we'll see you back here next week or right after this video if you want to stay. I'm sure something else will come up. But thanks for watching and cheers.